Hi guys, welcome to Perfect Lean Body. I prepared for you really amazing abs routine that will look super easy, but I swear and promise it is not easy at all. It's absolutely perfect and you will be shaping, toning your abs like crazy. So let's try it together. It's only 5 minutes long. Like it, share it, subscribe so everybody can do it with us. And let's go for it. So 5 minutes long. I set up the timer and first we go like this. So very simple, right? It looks very basic. And you do the side crunch for 1 minute. Let's go for it. So reach and crunch and crunch, crunch. So this looks super easy, but I tell you, if you do it right, if you reach all the way there and then crunch, squeeze, squeeze and reach, you definitely feel your abs. So, and if you do it for 1 minute, it's absolutely amazing, effective routine. And you can do it at home or in the gym, in the morning or in the evening. As you contract the muscle, exhale and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So let's breathe together. Let's go. Yes, that's right. And we have 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and last one. Amazing. Second exercise looks super easy. So, touch the floor and reach up. So it's a rotation of your torso. Touch, reach, and try to roll under and reach. Roll under and reach. Roll under and reach. And let's go for 1 minute. So you're rotating your torso. It looks easy, but you will feel it. Definitely. Let's go for 1 minute. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let's breathe together. Let's go. And let's go. We have 10 seconds left. And we are awesome. 5 seconds left. Perfect. Let's go on the other side. So what we did on this side, we do also on the other side. So, I'm going to stand like this, crunch and reach, crunch and reach for 1 beautiful minute. And let's go, crunch, reach, crunch, reach, crunch, reach, crunch, reach. So as you hear me breathing, you always exhale as you contract the muscle and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And let's go together. And we have about 5 seconds left. Amazing, perfect. Rotation. So, again, you roll under and reach. Roll under and reach. Roll under and reach. Roll under and reach. And let's go. Down and reach. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We have about 15 seconds left. And 10 seconds left. 5, 1. Perfect. Amazing. Last exercise. It's like a frog. So I'll show you from the side. Then you go here and up. Here and up. Here and up. So let's go. Feel your core. And exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. We have 30 seconds left. Only 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and last one. Woo! I tell you, I feel it. It's so amazing. It's absolutely awesome, awesome. Amazing for your core. So like it, share it, subscribe. Check out my other workouts, Perfect Lean Body, new Perfect Lean Body workouts, and a new Get Ready for Bikini workouts. I will see you. Have a beautiful day.